The Honor Magic 8 Pro is Honor's first self-evolving AI smartphone. But what does that actually mean? Well, we'll start off with the specs, and this is one of the first phones to get Qualcomm's new Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, which you may already know has got that upgraded Hexagon NPU for faster on-device AI processing. That chipset is paired with a hefty 12GB of RAM and 512GB of storage, at least for this Chinese version. So the Magic 8 Pro is definitely one of the most powerful phones in the world right now. On the display front, you're getting a 6.7-inch OLED panel with a variable refresh rate up to 120Hz and a staggering peak brightness of 6000 nits. As for cameras, there's a 50-megapixel wide lens, a 200-megapixel telephoto lens with 3.7 times optical zoom, and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens that can also be used for macro shots. Chinese buyers will get a 7,100 mAh silicon carbon battery, while those in Europe can expect a slightly smaller 6,270 mAh version. Mind you, all versions of the Magic 8 Pro will support 100-watt wired charging as well as 80-watt wireless charging for quick top-ups. So those are all pretty exceptional specs for a top-end Android phone, but the big new feature of this year's Honor flagship is the Yo-Yo agent. According to Honor, this agentic AI tool will be able to assist you in more than 3,000 unique scenarios. For instance, the Yo-Yo agent can delete blurry photos from your camera roll or compose and send business emails using information from your inbox. This handy AI assistant will be instantly accessible via the Magic 8 Pro's all-new AI button, and when double-pressed, that same button will also activate Yo-Yo Video Call, which is essentially Honor's take on Google Lens or visual intelligence. Annoyingly, neither Yo-Yo feature was available on my early release unit, but I did have access to the AI button's other customizable options and the new AI tools in the phone's camera app. Specifically, the Magic 8 Pro features some smart anti-shake technology for clearer zoom images, and there's also Magic Color, which Honor is calling the industry's first AI-powered color engine. Mix all of these specs and features together, and the Honor Magic 8 Pro is shaping up to be a formidable Android competitor. The phone has only just launched in China, but it's expected to come to international markets later this year. Do you like the look of the Honor Magic 8 Pro? Let us know in the comments below.